This is the dashboard of the InterNACHI inspection software. And let me show you around. So right now you have a calendar. It's a very easy calendar. These are inspections. I am booked solid. And here's an inspection and it's pending. It gives you a little indicator there. And you can see each one has some information, and we'll go over each one and see how it works. Looks like I'm off on Friday afternoon. Thank goodness. Okay, so this is going to be your calendar. If you have more than one inspector, they'll have their own calendar just below. And here are some job tabs or some cards. So right now I have 3 active jobs, and I have 2 that are scheduled and 1 that is pending. Now, if I'm developing an inspection, I'm on the phone or online and I'm creating an inspection, it's going to be in a draft folder. If it's pending, then there's some information. Maybe it came in through the online scheduler that we have, and you just need to confirm the inspector assignment or the date. Something is just, there's one more piece of information, and that's what this is. One more piece of information, and so the scheduler, the dashboard, is going to show you things that need your attention. Scheduled job is everything is scheduled. The inspection services are confirmed, the date is confirmed, the assignment is confirmed, it's ready to go, right? And 2 are active. That means the inspector has started to write the report. So some comments have been written in the report. When you're done writing the report, it goes into completed. And then when you're completely locked in, completely finished with the report or reports, you lock it, and that is for the manager or the owner of the company to make sure that this can't get changed anymore, right? And so if it does have to get changed, it has to be unlocked by someone with that permission, and you can do that permission settings in your company profile under your team. And then if you wanted to just delete or get rid of a job, you can archive it or completely delete it and cancel it. So on the dashboard, you have certain views. You have your day view, you have your week view, you have your 4-week view. I can see mine next week is getting all booked up. And you can move through the weeks, and you can select your inspectors. And this is the inspector schedule, and you can hide that. You can hide the calendar if you want. And it looks great on mobile as well. I think it's just easier to manage data using a laptop and then use your mobile device to do the inspections. And how do we do the inspections? Well, from here, you can open up your report using Manage Reports, or you can manage the details of the job, or you can archive it or delete it. And so that is basically the big components of the dashboard inside the InterNACHI inspection software.